From orchard to factory and back again, the cycle continues. Oranges become products, systems become trust, and automation becomes the unseen constant, working quietly, endlessly, and by design. The cycle never truly ends. What begins at the orchard returns again. Guided by systems built for continuity, automation becomes the quiet foundation, supporting what comes next without pause. Long after the moment passes, the system remains. Calibrated, monitored, and precise. It operates beyond shifts and schedules. This is automation, designed not just to perform, but to endure. The process does not end with a single batch. Automation sustains balance, timing, and control. From harvest to finished product, the system continues, quietly, efficiently, and without pause. At full scale, automation becomes calm and predictable. Every movement is known, every outcome expected. What remains is trust in systems designed to run smoothly, continuously, and without pause. From one harvest comes many outcomes. Each product traces back through the same controlled system where every step is measured, connected, and verified. This is how complexity becomes clarity. At scale, the process becomes seamless. Across regions and time zones, production never pauses. What appears complex becomes unified. One continuous system delivering the same result everywhere. Automation does not mean absence of control. Oversight, compliance, and security run continuously in the background, ensuring every action is accountable, protected, and aligned with global standards. Sustainability is engineered into the process. Waste becomes energy, heat is recovered, and emissions are filtered. Every output is measured, ensuring efficiency, responsibility, and a system designed to give more than it takes. Consistency is not left to chance. Every batch is sensed, compared, and corrected in real time. Through automation, flavor, color, and texture remain exactly as designed, no matter the product, no matter the scale. Reliability is engineered into every layer. Redundancy, predictive monitoring, and adaptive routing ensure production never stops. Even during maintenance, the system continues, designed to operate without interruption. Every purchase sends a signal. Data flows backward through the system, refining forecasts, harvests, and production plans. This feedback loop keeps the entire operation aligned, producing exactly what the world needs when it needs it. At the end point, the system becomes invisible. Products appear on shelves, ready for everyday use. Behind each item is a chain of precision, stretching from automated orchards to the moment of choice. Distribution becomes precise at the final mile. Products are routed, loaded, and dispatched based on real demand. Automation ensures shelves stay stocked, quietly adjusting supply to match the rhythm of everyday life. Before products reach shelves, they adapt once more. Bulk shipments become retail-ready units, sorted, packaged, and verified for visibility and speed. The final transformation prepares them for the consumer world. For global markets, precision extends beyond production. Documentation, labeling, and compliance are automated at the same scale, ensuring every shipment meets international standards before it ever leaves the dock. Production doesn't end when products are sealed. Stability, safety, and shelf life are continuously verified. Through controlled environments and ongoing testing, every batch remains reliable long after it leaves the line. Not every customer needs the same solution. Here, orange ingredients are combined, measured, and customized, built to specification for different industries, applications, and markets. Flexibility is engineered into the system itself. Beyond flavor, oranges contribute function. Reduced to fine powders, their natural pigments become ingredients for countless foods. Every particle is measured, verified, and sealed, ready to color products around the world. When moisture is removed, structure is revealed. Dehydrated slices capture color, aroma, and form, transformed through controlled air, time, and geometry into ingredients used across food, beverage, and decoration. Texture matters. Syrups and toppings demand precision in heat, flow, and timing. Every sensor and actuator works together to create consistency, ensuring each bottle pours exactly the way it should. Not all products flow like liquid. Some are built through heat, time, and texture. Jams and jellies are cooked, filled, sealed, and cooled with the same precision, ensuring consistency in every jar. At this stage, the process becomes familiar. Juice takes the form consumers recognize, packaged with speed and precision. Every carton reflects the same controlled journey that began in the orchard. The journey extends far beyond the factory walls. Distribution, recovery, and reuse operate in parallel, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. From energy to water, every resource is measured, recovered, and returned to the system. Automation doesn't stop at production. Storage, tracking, and dispatch are synchronized to protect freshness at every stage. From cold warehouses to refrigerated transport, the system is designed for distance, scale, and reliability. As products reach their final form, speed and sterility take priority. Filled, sealed, labeled, and verified, each container is prepared for global movement. Traceability ensures that every batch can be followed back to a single harvest. Beyond juice and concentrates, the system adapts. Orange flavor integrates seamlessly into dairy applications, blended and verified with the same precision. These ingredients leave the factory ready to become products you recognize every day. Nothing here is wasted. Even the peel becomes a resource. Dried, sliced, milled, and repurposed, these byproducts extend the value of every orange, turning what was once discarded into ingredients used worldwide. From a single fruit, many products emerge. Concentrates are frozen, purees refined, and syrups perfected, all running in parallel, all monitored in real time. This is how one harvest becomes many solutions. After extraction, refinement takes over. Filtration, blending, and concentration transform fresh juice into stable forms ready for global distribution. Each stage is measured, sealed, and precisely controlled to preserve flavor and quality. Once sorted, the transformation begins. Heat, alignment, and pressure work together to release fresh juice at industrial scale. Every drop is captured while nothing is wasted. Even the peel continues its own journey. Inside the factory, every orange is evaluated in milliseconds. Cleaned, dried, and scanned, each one is directed with precision. Nothing is random. Quality is calculated, and every path forward is intentional. This is not just orange farming. This is a fully synchronized system where agriculture meets automation. From the moment each orange is picked, every movement is measured, optimized, and controlled. What begins in the orchard is already becoming a global food product.